How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bill, and in today's video we are taking a look at Muslogy. I hope I'm saying that right. Muslogy. It's a seller on Amazon. They've starting to come out with some Bronco accessories. They reached out and asked if I'd be interested in reviewing some, and well, that's what we're here doing. So they sent me two different things. One is a trash bag, which is right here. It's pretty simple. It's pretty awesome though, because it snaps open. It is lit, so when you open it, you can see what you're doing, throw your trash in there. It came with some trash bags, and we can take a look at that here in a second. And the other thing is this 13-piece mat set. I don't know the proper name. We'll go with mat set. And when I first saw this, I was like, there's not even 13 flat surfaces to put this stuff, but there is, and we'll go through and find them. So first things first, let's take a look at the trash bag here. Now very simple. It's got a couple of clips on the back, and you can clip that onto anything. Now, one thing I would have been awesome is if these were a bit thinner, so they would have fit in the mole panel, however you pronounce that, but they are too wide to fit in there. I was hoping they would fit in there kind of like that, but it doesn't look like it would. It would just slide right over your bag there, so then you have a trash bag. Now, jump in the driver's seat. See how practical it feels. Yeah, it feels good. You probably can't see what I'm doing there. Let me set you back here real quick. And so, yeah, you just reach back, pull that open, throw. And just throw that in there. So it feels good. It's a good location. Like I said, it's not super intrusive. It keeps it up out of the way. It's a cool little thing. Said the only thing I would do differently with it, would be make these clips skinnier so they would actually fit in there. Maybe even do, instead of doing two bigger ones, maybe do three smaller ones that you could put like across here, so it's set up a bit higher and a bit sturdier. But other than that, not much more you can really say about a trash bag, is there? Now, all these mats, you're not necessarily going to use all of them. It depends on your trim level and other things. Like, it's got two cup holders. Us 4-door non-leather people anybody that doesn't have the leather seats doesn't have the fold down cup holders back here. Whereas if you have the 2-door, you have the cup holders on either side. There's not one for that, but there is, a mat for. Let's see if we can't piece everything together. Looks like one to go right here. Now, I do not have phone charger there, so I don't know if that would impact your phone charging abilities at all in any way or not. Cup holder, and fits in there. It looks good, pretties things up. We got this one, which I believe fits right up there, like so. For that one, I would think the Bronco would be facing the other, I would think the logo and everything would be turned 180, so it's facing forward and aft. So it's not just one person can read it, one person reads it upside down. But that fits there. If you have the B&O upgrade, then you don't have that space, so you wouldn't have a spot for that. Now, one of these bigger ones are for the glove box, which, all right, so wipe that out, and then now we have this that fits perfectly in there in the bottom. Now these here, there's 4 of, and they do have little adhesive strips to put on the back, and they are going to go right inside like that. Normally you'd put the adhesive on the back and put them in there like that. Well, we could still do that. I was gonna say it might not look right with these panels on there, but it looks fine. So we'll stick our adhesive backing on there. This is a little double-sided tape. Now if you had the regular netting, it would come up right against that and you wouldn't have this other ledge there, so it would fill that out completely. Then there's shorter, wider ones, which would be used back here in the back, like so. Oops. Let me get the right one. In the back. It just sits right in there down at the bottom and gives a little styling to the inside of your netting ledge, like so. A little bit of protection down there. Now they have a couple of designs. This is the black leather. There's like a brown leather that would look good with the roast interior. I think there was a blue leather, I'm not 100% sure. And then I know they also have a PVC one, which they have like a black and red and black and gray, I think it is. I don't know, I'll put a link down in the description so you can see all their stuff and what all they've got and see if anything is of interest to you. Now these others, let's move to the back. And while we're here, we can take a look at the best top, how that comes open. Very simple. Now we have this longer one, which is going to go right in here. So that sits right there in that one. We've got another one that sits right in there. That is for the center console, which I have locked right now. Yeah, there's one that goes into the bottom of the center console, and then one that goes in the little tray right there. Let me find my key so I can actually open that. All right, so then this is going to fit right inside, down at the bottom like so. And then this would go in the little tray that goes across here. I don't have that tray, I have this tray. So I don't have a spot for this one. So I have that piece and this piece extra because I don't have the little piece of tray in here, and I don't have the flip down cup holders in the back. So I have 2 extra pieces, but everything else we had a home for. It's a quick way to add a little bit of extra styling, keep it clean, keep it protected. And and it's not super expensive. There's no Bronco tax on these. Now, one thing I would caution this company about is the use of the logos and everything. Yeah, I don't know how long they're going to be able to keep making these, quite honestly, because Ford seems to be shutting down anybody and everybody that's using Bronco or anything like that, and the names are in their designs unless they've gotten clearance from them. So if you do like these designs, you probably want to go ahead and head over to Amazon and grab these while you can, because like I said, I have a feeling these aren't going to be available for super long, or they're going to have to change the design a bit. But yeah, the quality on them seems good. It's just a small, like I say, small little touches that make everything come together over time. So I like it. I want to thank Muslogy for sending those out to me and let me check them out. If you're looking for some low-cost accessories that you can put on your Bronco and change things up without costing too much, adding a little bit of extra protection, I'll put the link down in the description. You can go check them out. They have a few other products. See if they have anything that you like. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.